Hi, this is Ken with Microsurvey. I'd like to cover some of the new features and improvements we've made to FieldGenius for Android in our version 1.7 release. We've added an auto-record mode that allows a user to configure a distance or time interval for measurements. In the auto-record mode, you don't have to trigger each individual observation, but once you've started auto-recording, it will record at the interval that you've set. This can be very handy for things like a topo survey. We've also improved the observation workflow to allow users to store notes in a point annotation field as part of the observation process, and also to store photos with the Android device camera. You can take either point-specific photos or project general photos, and they will be stored with your project. When you archive a project, both the annotation notes and the photos will go with the project, so it's easy to send them back to the office for inclusion in reports. A couple of new features have been added to the Coco section. We've added support for working with the angles in quadrant bearing as opposed to just degrees. So you can see the angles in quadrant bearing, as well as if you want to enter an angle, you can enter the quadrant then the bearing now in the Coco functionality. In addition, we've added rotate, translate, and scale as a Coco feature, allowing you to select points in the project and to move them. You can move them individually by either a rotation, translation, and scale and save them, or combine them all three in one. We've added a data panel to help you with the workflow to make it quite easy to use, and you'll see your results in real time on the map view as you're entering the data. For customers who want to see an area for a closed figure, we've made it easier to get to that information with just a couple taps. You can select the closed figure and then the information button, and now at the bottom of the information page you'll see the area of a closed figure. Based on customer feedback, we've also made some improvements to FieldGenius. We've added dynamic search to the Bluetooth so that as devices are found, you can select them right away. It speeds up the time necessary to configure a device. One real nice improvement, we've added the ability to define a line between 2 points in the staking map view. You can select this option and then just pick 2 points. It will create a line and then help you navigate to that line and let you stake to the line. If you're working with arcs, you can just use the data panel and define 3 points. It'll create the arc, and then again you can navigate to a point on the arc for staking. These are the main features and improvements we've made to FieldGenius. If you want to try them out for yourself, you can contact Microsurvey Sales for a free 30-day demo. Thanks for watching.